Bitcoin has already fallen by over $11,000, making Monday one of the most critical days to pay close attention. It's time for you to buckle up. If you're new here, my name is Steve. I'm going to help you get one step closer to your financial freedom by focusing on the facts and the charts and making sound decisions. Today, we've got a legendary video. We're going to break it down in such a simple and clear way. You're going to leave this video with high quality knowledge about what is going down on Monday. I want to start with something that could really help change your life. You can get our game-changing indicator bundle, the one that everyone went crazy for, the one that's made a lot of people money. Trade alerts right to your phone, right to your email address. You can get that 5 days for free right now. Only Wednesday and Thursday. 5 days for free. Sign up only Wednesday, sign up only Thursday. Go get it right now. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. There's going to be a little pop-up. You're going to put your name and email. It takes 3 seconds to sign up to it. You're going to get it in your email. It's going to be incredible. Have 5 days with it. Trade alerts right to your phone, right to your email address. Go get it right now. It'll be the link in the description, CryptoCrewUniversity.com. It'll be the pinned link in the comment. If you're already on our email address, go in your inbox right now and you'll be able to get that 5 days for free. We're doing something special for the holidays. We're always giving back, and this is another example. So go get it, go get it, go get it, and then come back to this video. Now, what we have in front of you is the 2-week chart. What we have is a line chart. What we notice with the line chart is a few distinct levels, okay? And first we're going to talk about this yellow box up here, and then we're going to talk about the highly important line down here. But what we can see is that back when Bitcoin first had resistance here, back on February 1st, we had a nice little rebound, and then we broke through and we went up into this yellow channel here. This yellow channel is where we've been met with problems. We were met with problems starting back here on March 1st, and then we actually had a pullback and we broke back in through this channel, forming the top of the channel here at 60K back on March 29th. You'll notice that with a line chart, it's just the closing price. It's not the high and low, right? The high and low, we get rid of the wicks. We're talking about just the closing price. So the closing price closed at 60K back here on March 29th, right? Then we had a nice pullback coming right back to where it's supposed to. Where we had our previous resistance is now our support, and then we had a beautiful bounce up. Where did we bounce up? We got resistance right where we were supposed to. We had resistance. This was our resistance zone, and then we came back through and we didn't hold support here. We broke down through and we actually held some resistance back here on August 16th, and we actually broke through and we came up and we finally broke through this yellow channel. Now is the key part, because this yellow channel was our resistance zone for the months of March and April and through March and April, right? So now we're at this point where, hey, we broke through. We have not confirmed any support yet, but we're in the midst, right? You can see that this blue dot here, you can clearly see it's in the midst of this channel. The same channel that we spent a few months battling back in the earlier this year, okay? Now here's the key. Pay close attention to what's happening, because you can see what's happening in the market, right? The herd is overreacting. Everyone's starting to freak out. But what's happening and why is Monday so important? Well, Monday, we're going to close. We're going to close this 2 week, and we're going to really see what we're made of. And what we're really testing is how are we going to play with this resistance zone of before? Is it going to become our support? If so, that would be monumental. What we don't want to happen, and what you can see here, if we just break it down really simply, this was our last level that we played with, right? This 58.3 level. If we break that level by Monday and close below that level, on Monday, it's highly probable that we fall down to our next level of support over a short period of time, which would be this level at 49K. However, if on Monday we close inside of this price channel as support, it's highly likely we're going to see a very nice bounce to the upside. So in simple terms, we don't want to close below this 58.3K. If we close below 58.3K, we're going to be in some trouble for the 2-week chart. It's just the facts on the charts, right? We're just going based on the facts. But there's a lot of strength inside the charts. You can see our stochastic RSI has a ton of momentum to the upside, and it looks like we're trying to play with this zone as support. So it looks positive. But again, if we close below, our next level's here. Why is it here? I mean, you can clearly see it was resistance here, it was support here, it was resistance here, and now we want it to be support here if we do fall to that level. But that's it, plain and simple. Monday is critical. Watch the closing price and stay level-headed. Don't overreact to everything. The herd overreacts to everything. Every day they're overreacting to every bit of news, every bit of price action, but not you. You're not a part of the herd anymore. You know you were, unfortunately, but you're not anymore. You come to this channel, you get a breath of fresh air, you get knowledge, you get facts, you remain level-headed, you make sound decisions, you increase your stance in Bitcoin and your stance with Ethereum, and you're doing great things, okay? You're making big shifts in your life. So that's why you come here. So hit that subscribe button and pay close attention. That game-changing indicator bundle, you can only jump on it Wednesday and Thursday, and you'll have it for 5 days for free. Trade alerts right to your phone and email. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. It's the first link in the description. It'll be pinned in the comment, and go get your free indicator bundle, and you're going to fall in love with it. You're absolutely going to fall in love with it. I'll see you right back here on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.